Third standard students, let's start math subject. Today we are going to study symmetry. Next chapter. What is the symmetry? That is means whatever we prepare a diagram on one side, it will be similar to the other side also. That is called the symmetry. What is the symmetry means? Means whatever we prepare a diagram on one side, okay, it will be similar to the other side. That is called the symmetry. Look here, take leaf. Look here, this is the leaf. Picture is shown here. Okay, this is the real leaf. Okay, take a leaf like this one, which has many vines. Look here, veins. These are the vines like this. In the middle, there is a vine that run the full length of the leaf. Look, this one is the vine that run the full length of the leaf from here to here. Fold the leaf along that vine. Okay, fold the leaf along that vine. What do you see? That one part of the leaf fell exactly on the other side. Okay, when we fold this leaf, okay, when one more part of the leaf fell exactly on the other part like this. Fold the leaf in different way along other vines. Okay, like this you can fold like this. Okay, what do you see? One part of the leaf does not fall exactly on the other. Like this. What is this? One part of the leaf exactly fell on the other side. This is called the symmetry. What is the symmetry means? Whatever we prepare a diagram on one side, it will be similar to the other side also. That is called the symmetry. Okay, and understand? When we fold the leaf in different way, अलग-अलग तरीके से आप इसको fold करो. What do you see? One part of the leaf does not fall exactly on the other side. Okay. Okay. Take another example of the triangle. Okay. Here is a triangle. Take another example. Take a triangle piece of a paper as shown alongside like this. Fold it along the dotted line. This is the line. Fold it on the dotted line like this. Does one part of the triangle piece of a paper fall exactly on the other side? Yes. That means this is called the symmetry. What is the symmetry means? Whatever we prepare a diagram on the one side, it will be similar to the other side. That is called the symmetry. देखो, this part and this part similar to each other. This is called the symmetry. Okay, you can fold the triangle in different way like this. What do you see? One part of the triangle does not exactly fall on the other side, so we cannot tell this is the symmetry. This is not a symmetry. Understand? What is the symmetry? Means the one part, it will be similar to the other part. This is called the symmetry. Another way, what is the meaning of symmetry? We can say that what will be the mirror image of this? Look here, this is the mirror image. Mirror image means मतलब आप अगर mirror में देखेंगे तो आपको क्या दिखता है? Whatever exactly the object is, that is called the symmetry. Understand? Another example, look here. This is another triangle. This is also a triangle. Okay, as shown here. This is second figure, and fold it along the dotted line. Here also you can fold. Does the part of the triangle fall exactly on the other side? No. That means it is not a symmetry. If two parts of a figure made by a line fell exactly on the one side, then the figure is said to be the symmetrical object of that line. Underline this line. If the two parts of the figure made by a line, okay, if the two parts of the figure made by a line exactly fail on the other side, that is called the symmetry. And if the two parts do not fail exactly on the other side, look here, the another example, when the two parts are not fail exactly on the other side, then the figure is not symmetrical about that line. Understand what is the symmetry? Okay, learn this para carefully. What is this? If the two parts of the figure made by a line, ये दो two parts है made by the line, fail exactly on the other side, then the figure is said to be the symmetry. For example, this leaf also, when the two parts of a figure on the leaf made by a line fail exactly on other side, then it is the symmetry. And this figure shows that this is not a symmetrical figure. Why? Because the two parts of this part does not fail exactly on the other side. Understand what is the symmetry? Look here. Here are some figures are given here. Some of the following figures are symmetrically about the given dotted line and some are not. Observe them carefully. Look here. This one, this is the square, rectangle. If you fold on the dotted line, the two parts of the figure made by this line fail exactly on the other side, then this is the symmetrical. Look here. If here the two parts does not fail exactly on the one side, that means this figure is a non-symmetrical. Here symmetrical. Why? When we fold on the dotted line like this, okay, the two parts of this figure made by the line fail exactly on the other side, that means it is a symmetrical. Here non-symmetrical, because these two parts do not fail exactly on the other side. Understand? This is also non-symmetrical. Here also this is symmetrical. When we fold, these two parts where exactly fail on the one side. This is non-symmetrical. Clear? What is the symmetry and what is non-symmetry? Understand? Okay. Whatever you learn here, that symmetry means the mirror image of any object. That is the symmetry. Okay. Look here. When you fold this circle, it is symmetrical. This is also symmetrical. This is non-symmetrical. Symmetrical. Non-symmetrical. Understand? Look here. Here can I determine whether the figure given below are symmetrical about any line or not. Put tick below the figure if it is symmetrical and cross if it is not. आपको ये क्या करना है, ये फिगर सिमेट्रिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करके दिखाना है कि इट इज़ सिमेट्रिकल और नॉट. लाइक दिस. लुक हियर एंड राइट हियर, इज इट सिमेट्रिकल और नॉन सिमेट्रिकल. हियर ऑल्सो फॉर each of the figure below, draw a line along which you will fold the figure to show that it is a symmetrical. Here also ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करना है आपको. दिस इज सिमेट्रिकल, दिस इज ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिकल लाइक दिस, है ना. आप ऐसे फोल्ड कर सकते हो. लीव्स ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिकल एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिकल. लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. हियर ऑल्सो. ओके. Here in each of the symmetrical figure given below, color the two symmetrical parts different colors. यहाँ पे दो ऐसे symmetrical parts है तो different color से color करना है. Draw dotted line like this and color these two parts in a different color. Okay. Here also draw the line and color these two parts of different color. Understand? Take a square paper of a piece and examine its symmetry by folding it in different ways. If it is a square, you can fold. There are 4 lines, symmetrical foldings. Okay. Observe this figure and draw this in your notebook. Understand? Look here, closed figure and open figure. Okay. Look here, this is the house shown here. The picture shows that it is a house and there is a fence around the house, but this gate is closed. This is closed figure, and when the gate is open, that is open figure. Understand? Here are some closed figure. देखो ये figure दिख रहा है, ये close है ना? No way to go inside. Understand? This is open figure. This is also open figure. Okay, open means this is open Understand? Here, think, can you join points A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure? Okay, आप जो है ये लाइन को टच कर सकते हो. You can join A and B. ये और B को क्या करना है? ज्वाइन करना है. That does not touch the given figure. फिगर ये है स्क्वायर को टच किए बगैर आप ये लाइन ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. कैन वी ज्वाइन पॉइंट बी एंड सी इन द सेम वे? बी एंड सी कर सकते हो. यस, थिंक, कैन वी ज्वाइन पॉइंट पी एंड एफ विथ अ लाइन दैट गिव नॉट टच द गिवन फिगर? ओके, ऐसे कर टच कर सकते हो आप लोग. एंड कैन वी ज्वाइन द पी एंड एम इन द सेम वे? ओके, ये थिंक, दिस इज फॉर थिंकिंग. फाइंड द ओपन एंड द क्लोज फिगर्स फ्रॉम दिस गिवन. इसमें कौन से ओपन और क्लोज है? देखो ये ओपन है, दिस वन इज क्लोज फिगर, दिस वन इज ओपन, दिस वन इज क्लोज, दिस वन इज ओपन. अंडरस्टैंड? लाइक दिस, what is the open figures and what is the closed figure? You can find out and write in your notebook. Observe this. Observe the given figure and open figure in the rangoli shown here. यहाँ पे open figure क्या है, closed figure क्या है, वो आपको कलर करना है. Understand? This much our portion I had completed. Symmetry is the last lesson for this semester. Complete this lesson and do this in your notebook. This one also, and this. Draw these diagrams in your notebook and draw the symmetrical line like this. Okay, complete this homework and send me on my number.